My name is Effie and we're in Albany, Oregon on Riverside Drive. I bought the house despite the bathroom, I would say. Okay, that was a big obstacle. So the bathroom needed to be done. It had absolutely no window, and I'd love to have a lot of light to be able to create a space between the outdoors and the indoors so that it kind of blends it together. And the land here is so big and the house relatively small, so I wanted to give more emphasis to the outdoors and to bring it more inside. We ended up doing renovations in the kitchen, doing all the reframing of the windows and the doors, lighting fixtures, painting the house, in addition to the major changes that happened to create the bathroom space that I wanted. So I was working in California while the house was being built here, and I was just staying long distance in touch with Jared. It was exciting to see what the project was. So it was primarily through text and emails that we communicated, and he did make a point to make sure he keeps me updated by sending me pictures. Jared was good about trying to find out what it is that you want to do, and he would try to please as much as he could. That was his whole point. For the bathroom, it was a combination between the designer, Jared, and me. And Jared really did play quite a bit of a role in being very creative. So if I have to give him one word to describe him, I'd say, creativity and innovation. He was a pleasure to work with. It was not just simply to build things. There was a human aspect to it, that he really wanted to please somebody and to make sure that whatever he does for you is what you really, really wanted. I'm so happy that I came across him because he was very conscientious and true to his word. Whatever he said, he came through to everything. I enjoy this house every day. It's really exactly what I had wanted. I would highly recommend Jared and his crew to anybody. And for me, it was just a very pleasant, aesthetic experience, that I really enjoyed thoroughly working with him.